Hey everyone, let's solve one previous question of DBMS. This question was asked in GATE CS 2021 set 2 question number 6. Consider the following statement S1 and S2 about the relational data model. Two statements are given. Which one of the following choice is correct? And four options are given. Let's check one by one statement. Statement 1. A relation schema can have at most one foreign key. No, there can be any number of foreign key. Here at most one means it can be 0 or maximum 1. There can be multiple foreign keys. So this statement is false. Next statement 2. A foreign key in a relation schema cannot be used to refer to tuple of R. No, it's false. It can refer to its own table or other table. Here it's written it cannot be used to refer tuple of R. It can refer. Okay, so a foreign key in a relation schema can refer to its own tuple. So statement 2 is false. Now check the options. Option A, both S1 and S2 are true. No. S1 is true, S2 is false. No. S1 is false, S2 is true. No. Both S1 and S2 are false. This is true. S1 is false as relation schema can have multiple foreign key. S2 is false as foreign key can refer to its own relation. Okay, its own relation schema. Here it's written it cannot be used to refer own tuple. It can refer to its own tuple. Okay, so answer will be option D. Both S1 and S2 are false. I already discussed foreign key. Just go through the lecture, and if this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.